Once you've gone through the seminar, there's a second step that you can go to with the family law support team. We also run workshops, and these workshops are designed to deal with people at specific stages of their legal proceedings, to help them fill out forms, to help them understand what is going to go on in the courtroom at the next step of their proceedings. So if you're at the stage where you're about to go to a case conference and you have to fill out a case conference brief, we will help you fill out that brief. We will discuss what your particular situation is, and we will help you make sure that you put your story down in that brief in a way that the judge can read and understand and help you with. And we will tell you what to do when you get to a case conference and what to expect when you get to a case conference. If you're going to a motion, which is a very critical step in a family court proceeding, if you don't have proper documentation with you, you're not going to succeed. You can write an affidavit and give it to a judge and not succeed because the affidavit doesn't contain the information that the court needs in order to either grant you the relief that you're asking for, or to make sure that the other person does not get what they're asking for. So we help you with these workshops draft your motion material to maximize your opportunities of getting what you want at that motion. And it's really critical that you understand when you go to a motion what has to be done before you get there and how to conduct yourself in a courtroom. It is critical to understand how to address a judge, and by that I do not mean whether you should call him sir or ma'am or something like that. By that I mean that it is critical to know the types of things that you have to say to a judge in order to make sure that you are successful. And if you don't do those things, you're almost guaranteed not to be successful.